Guys, in this video tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to convert Python scripts or Python files to an executable file. First of all, make sure that you have Python installed in your PC. Once you have installed the Python in your system, go for the command prompt and check for the presence of pip in your system. To make sure that, just go for the command prompt and press pip and go for enter. If your system has pip installed, then you should be getting this set of instructions or the commands. If your system doesn't have pip installed, then you might be getting some error messages like location not found. In that case, what you need to do is close this command bar, go for the search bar and search for environment variables. Click on environment variables, select path and edit. Here, add a new path. The path is the address where your Python script files or Python files are located. I have given the default location of Python script files where they are located. So once you are done with that, just close this environment variable windows, apply and go for OK. Then again go back for the command prompt and check for the pip. Again press pip and go for enter. Now if your system has a pip, then you should be getting this set of instructions. If at all you're not getting these instructions and instead getting some error messages, that means that your system doesn't have pip installed. In that case, what you need to do is open the Chrome and download the Python installer. Go for downloads and download the exact version of the Python installed in your PC. If at all you have the installer still in your PC, then you need not download this Python installer. So just go for the folder where your Python install is present, select it. Now what you need to do is modify the setup. So click modify and make sure that now pip box is checked, and then click next and modify the installer. So once you're done with that, your system now has the pip. So now go back for the command prompt and type pip. Now go for enter. Now you should be getting this set of instructions or set of commands. So once you get this, that means that you have now pip in your system. So close the command prompt and close the command prompt and go for the folder where your Python file is present. So mine, inside a folder pyt, I have a small Python program with .py with the name mail parser. Click the address bar and type cmd and press enter. Now this command prompt will be locating to the Python file. So now what you need to type is few simple instruction or the simple commands. You need to type py installer space. You can use few flags. I'll be using --1 file. What this flag does is, if there is a large program with many set of bunch of files or scripts, what this does is convert all them into a one single executable file. You can add few more flags like -w. What this does is, if your program doesn't just work with the command prompt or require an external window, then you can use -w, or else this is not gonna work. After that, put a white space and type the Python file name. Mine here is mailparser.py. Press enter. It should take some time in converting your Python scripts into a executable file. In the background you can see few folders are being built up. So if your program is very large, about 10 to 20 pages, then the conversion may take some time, around 5 to 6 minutes or even more. Mine here is a small program, is just gonna take around 15 seconds. So once the conversion is complete, you should be seeing that completed successfully. Now you can close the command prompt window and Here you can see few folders. You can delete those build folders which are of no use and open the dist folder. Inside that you will be having a one single file, one single application, which is nothing but the executable file with .exe. So once you open, you can see your program running without the Python interpreter. So mine here is a simple program to enter your mail, which stores the mail address into a file. Yeah, that's it. Hope this video was useful. Thank you.